Happy birthday, Mama Vilma! Ma, thanks God for your 71st birthday. We wish you to be happy and safe always. Enjoy lang ang life na binigay ni God. We always pray for your safety and good health.
Hi, Mama Vilma. I wish you to be healthy, strong, safe, and happy every day.
To our beautiful Mama Vilma, may God bless you po with more healthy and happy years. Sana bigyan kayo lagi ng Panginoon ng mabuting kalusugan at kalakasan. May God's grace and protection be with you every single day.
Have a wonderful and blessed birthday, Mama Vilma. We love you!
Dada,
Nona,
Tita,
happy birthday! I
hi,
love you.
Bafu,
Mwah.
Ta,
Ganun. Okay. Hi, Mama. Happy 71st birthday po. I love you so much and see you soon.
Hello Mama Vilma, happy birthday po. We love you. Stay healthy and enjoy your day po.
Hi, Ate. Good morning. Ready na ako mag-jogging kasi every morning, Monday to Friday, nag-jogging kami sa Rizal Chapel. Gusto lang kitang i-greet ng happy birthday. This time, ikaw naman ang lumuwas. Talagang papunta kami dyan ni Ningning dapat. Visit ka ulit namin ngayong birthday mo. Pero salamat kasi ma-attend ka ng reunion. Kaya, ikaw ang luluwas, hindi kami. Maraming salamat, Ate. Kung kailan tumanda sa ka nakakagala, gawin natin ang paggala habang malakas pa at habang kaya pa. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon sa provision na ngayon nagkikita-kita na tayo ng madalas kahit tayo ay matatanda na. Palakas ka kasi magsasama pa tayo, magsuswimming pa tayo, gagala pa tayo ng marami. Happy birthday! Salamat, Ate. Miss ka na namin.
Hi Tita Vilma, happy birthday and I wish you good health and ingat po palagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Nona. We love you.
I hope we will see you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola Vilma. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Te.
Happy birthday, Tess. Sana sa iyong karawan ay humaba pa ang iyong buhay at umabot ka ng 100 years.
Joke lang, Te. Stay healthy, Te, and enjoy life. We only live once on this earth. Magpakasaya na tayo, no? We're getting old. Hindi na natin maiwasan. Love you, Ate.